Hello, friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to Shailesh Fulsunge's Pep Talk. Before getting into it, let me introduce myself once again. I am Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, a hotelier since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, founder of Menon Hospitality Private Limited, a steward transformed into a managing director. Today's topic is interesting. You know what? I am going to talk on a subject which is very crucial, and I'm sure you will like it. I'm going to talk on relationships. Every individual at one point in time in their lives, they face this problem. And sometimes it is so difficult to face the challenges when there is an issue in the relationship. Sometimes people end up finishing their life. Sometimes people get into whatnot. Sometimes people get into vices. It's so dangerous. So, what is the major criteria? What is the major cause of relationships getting sour, relationships getting futile? There's only one single word. You know what? It is expectations. We expect from a relationship, and we expect a lot. Whatever we do for that person, we expect the same or more or little from that person in return. In olden days, our forefathers, grandfathers used to say, नेकी कर और पानी में छोड़. एक, सुबह में क्या खाया है दोपहर को भूल जाओ. So, if you are doing something or favor to somebody, or even if he or she is your spouse, or your father, mother, sister, brother, whoever, the more you expect, you will only get hurted. You will only feel bad about it if that expectation is not met. And the expectation is not their problem. It is your problem, because you are expecting certain person or somebody to behave or do certain things as per your expectation. It is not necessary that he will do it. And the other side is not at fault. The problem is that we overthink and we say that boss, ये तो मैंने expect किया था, करना चाहिए था, क्यों नहीं किया उसने? उसका कर्तव्य है करने का. That is what you think उसका कर्तव्य है करने का. He must be or she must be in some other zone, some other difficulty, some other challenges. Or for him or her, whatever you're thinking must be not as great or as big, or it is not, must be on the priority list of theirs. So the problem lies where? The problem lies within you. So my dear friends, it is simple. A simple technique to maintain any relationship is just be away from expectations. With this, I am winding up. I am coming up with more videos. Till then, God bless you. Don't expect anything from others. You will be the happiest person. Thank you.